Okay, students. So now moving further, you can see dice, two dice on the screen. Yeah. So now we'll be dealing with different sets when a dice is rolled. Sample space for a die. Singular is die, plural is dice. This is my journal formula 6 raised to n. If one time a die is rolled, then here 1 will come. So 6 raised to 1 will come. If two times dice are rolled, so here 2 will come at the place of n. So 6 ka square it will become. So it answer will be 36. Okay, let's see the first case when a die is rolled. So here at the place of n 1 came. 6 raised to 1 is 6. What is my sample space denoted by capital S? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In a basic default journal die, when a die is rolled, we have these many options coming. These many things can come. N of S means number of elements in the sample space. There are 6 elements, so 6 came here. Okay, now moving to much interesting case, students, in front of you. Okay, students, see on the screen. When 2 dice are rolled, I wrote 2 here. 6 square is 36. Okay, now how to write this? Yeah, you have to write it. Please, you have to write this. Now, while watching the video also, and whenever there is a numerical dealing with 2 dice, then in the sample space before starting the question, you have to write this. See here, how to start. It's a fun to write. See here, 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6. First complete this first row. Every time before comma you will write 1. Okay, then 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6, and so on you will write. Always write in sequence like this only, that there should be 6 brackets only in the first row, and there should be 6 rows like this. Don't leave lines while writing. Okay, now you must be thinking why I have highlighted this. I have deliberately drawn this diagonal. Why so? You don't need to do it. This is just for your extra knowledge, that these elements which come in this diagonal has both the elements same. मतलब if I say कि राइट हैंड में एक डाई है और लेफ्ट हैंड में दूसरी डाई है, दोनों को साथ में रोल कर रहे हैं, तो दोनों डाइस पे आंसर आएगा 1 1. बोथ द आंसर्स ऑफ बोथ द डाइस is 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5 and 6 6. Okay, there's one more important thing. As far as your syllabus is concerned, this is not there, but just for an additional knowledge, whatever available options you have above this diagonal, if you see my cursor, can you see this cursor? ये सारे options which can come are above the diagonal, this diagonal. ये सारे options में the element or answer before comma is less as compared to the number after comma. कॉमा के पहले वाले नंबर छोटे हैं और कॉमा के बाद वाले नंबर बड़े हैं. मतलब लेफ्ट डाई का आंसर छोटा है और राइट डाई का आंसर बड़ा है. एंड एवरी एलिमेंट बिलो दिस डायगोनल, इसमें कॉमा के पहले वाले आंसर्स या नंबर्स बड़े हैं और कॉमा के बाद वाले, कॉमा के राइट वाले आंसर्स छोटे हैं. मतलब लेफ्ट डाई पे आने वाले आंसर्स बड़े हैं एज कंपेयर्ड टू द आंसर्स ऑन द राइट डाई. Okay, this was just an extra additional knowledge. And if you count it, it's 36. Here also we understood how 36 comes here. Okay, students. So now let's start with our question. See, I have not taken one die wala question. It's very simple. When one die is rolled, we have only 6 options. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Students, I have taken a very, very big question in front of you. And in board exam or your prelim exam, if such questions are asked, they will segregate this question. They will never ask such a huge question. I can say in this my big question, 3 sub questions or 3 to 4 sub questions will can come here. So I have designed this question for you all, which has every possible aspects. ठीक है? So ऐसा बड़ा question कभी भी नहीं आएगा. They will ask you small things. 2 dice are thrown. Moment you read this, 2 dice are thrown, what you will do? You will not read the further question and you will make your sample space like this. See, I'll show you on the screen. I have also made it once again here. Okay, no drawing of diagonals, just like this. Okay, fine, beautiful. Yeah, it looks very beautiful, I know. Next, find the probability. Sub question 1. Understand, I'm reading it very carefully. Sum of two numbers, SUM sum means addition का आंसर. एडिशन करने के बाद जो आंसर आता है उसको बोलते हैं sum of two numbers appearing on top to be. Students, I have 2 dice, तो 2 dice को जब रोल करेंगे, so I'll get 2 answers on the top. So they are asking me वो दोनों आंसर्स को ऐड करो, जो 2 आंसर्स आएंगे उनको ऐड करो. तो वो 2 आंसर्स को ऐड करने के बाद they are asking what is the probability that your sum is between 5 and 8. Is between 5 and 8. Matlab, I will roll 2 dice. I'll get 2 answers. I'll add both the answers. And the answer which I get is called as sum. And that sum should lie between 5 and 8. I need to find the probability. कितनी probability है ऐसा होने की कि आंसर 5 और 8 के बीच में आए. Understanding, students? Okay. So 5 and 8 के बीच में we want. First, I'll make the event. See on the screen. Let A be the event that sum of two numbers appearing on top of dice is to be between 5 and 8. ठीक है, 5 और 8 के बीच में आए. Okay. I have written the answer over here, but let's solve it together. Okay, come back to the original sample space, students. This is your screen. Okay, students. Now, as always, I'll distribute hearts here. I want my sum to be between 5 and 8. See here, 1 plus 1, first element. If I start with the first element, 1 plus 1, it's 2. No, it's not between 5 and 8. 1 plus 2, it's 3. Sum 3 hai. It's not between 5 and 8. 1 plus 3, it's 4. 1 plus 4, it's 5. And here 5 and 8 are not inclusive. 5 and 8 are not inclusive because your word between is given. So some can be 6, some can be 7, some can be 8. So 4 plus 1, 5. 5 नहीं हो सकता है. 5 plus 1, 6. Yes, this can be the option. So can I say this can be the answer? Next, 1 plus 6, 7. Yes, this can be the answer. 2 plus 1, 3. No, this can't be. 2, 2, no. 2, 3, no. 2, 4, it's 6. Yes. 2, 5, it's 7. Yes. 2, 6, it's 8. No, 8 can't be. 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4. Then 4, 2, 4, 3, 5, 1, 5, 2, 6, 1. Okay. So let's count the number of hearts on the screen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So according to me, there are 11 hearts. So these 11 numbers, 11 elements will come in the set of my event. Okay. So let's see our solution now, students. We have already written our event as capital A. I just copied all heart wale elements here and they are 11. What is the formula for probability? Probability of A is number of elements in set A upon n of s, 11 upon 36. Okay. Students, now let's get back to our original question. Sub question B. What is the probability that sum of two numbers appearing on the top to be 4 or 5? अब sum क्या चाहिए? 4 or 5. Sum 4 भी चलेगा and sum 5 भी चलेगा if I convert this or in Hindi. But I told you or means plus in this chapter. First I'll form this event. First I'll write let's take the capital B now. Okay, let B be the event that sum of the two numbers appearing on top of dice to be 4 or 5. Or means plus, मतलब we need to merge it. Merge कर देंगे दोनों को. ठीक है, 4 वाले को और 5 वाले को merge कर देंगे. तो first I'll jot down those elements जिनको add करके when I roll 2 dice and when 2 answers I add, whenever I get 4 I'll mention here. Okay, so numbers with sum as 4. Students, okay, once again I'll explain you the numbers where we have 4. See on the screen. So here we have our screen. Hope you remember the question. First case is when two answers are added, we should get 4. We should get 4. Okay, now let's again distribute hearts. 1 plus 1, it's 2. No. 1 plus 2, it's 3. 1 plus 3, yeah, it's 4. Okay. 1 plus 4, it's 5. And now 1 plus 5 is 6. It's going beyond 4. I just want 4. Okay, 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 comma 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 plus 3 is 5. Now it will go beyond 4. 3 plus 1, yeah, it's 4. 3 plus 2, it's 5. It will go. 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, now so entire row it will go beyond 4. More than 4. Here also beyond 4. So I think so this 3 elements will be considered in my case that adding both the answers will get me 4. So I'll copy this. Stay on the screen, students. Okay, students. 1 comma 3, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 1. Sequence does not matters. Okay. Now numbers with sum 5. Now I think so students you can manage this. You just have to add and see. So I have 1 comma 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. Okay. And this is very logical thing. I will not see this as a shortcut that जब 1 comma 4 आ गया तो 4 comma 1 भी आएगा because 4 plus 1 is 5. Similarly 2 comma 3 because 2 plus 3 is 5 and 3 comma 2 it is also 5. And you cannot say this both are same. This 2 comma 3 means left side वाले die पे 2 आया है and right side पे 3 आया है. And 3 comma 2 means left side पे 3 आया है and right वाले पे 2 आया है. Okay, so I got 4 elements. And hope you remember here it was OR. OR means merging two sets. So in my set B, I add all of them together. See here, I'll merge. Above two sets will be merged. So I just merged two sets. One with 3 elements, another with 4 elements. So it came up to 7. Probability of B is number of elements in set B upon number of elements in sample space originally. 7 upon 36. So students, I completed my sub question 1 के अंदर A part and B part. Okay. Like this, they will not give you, they will either give you A part or they will either give you B part. I have made this as a big question which can cover every aspect. Now moving to sub question 2. Let's first read sub question 2, students. What was asked? Sub question 2 is there on a pop-up screen in front of you, students. A multiple of 2 on one die. We have 2 dice. Multiple of 2 on one die. एक die पे multiple of 2 का आंसर आना चाहिए. And an odd number on the other die. दूसरी die पे एक odd number आना चाहिए. To dilute this language, can I say multiple of 2 मतलब 2 times table वाला number मतलब even number. ठीक है, on one die and an odd number on the other die. मतलब we are rolling 2 dice, students. We should get even number on one die and odd number on other die. ये question है. But the best part about this, or I will say the catch of this question is they have not mentioned to us कि left वाली die पे 2 होना चाहिए, even number होना चाहिए, and right वाली die पे odd number होना चाहिए, और left वाले die should be odd number and the right वाला die should be even number. So here there will be 2 cases. ठीक है. See the case 1. First I formed the event. Let C be the event that a multiple of 2 on one die and odd number on the other die. Case 1 में I am taking के left side पे जो dice है, see the my cursor, it's multiple of 2 on the first die. Multiple of 2 means even number left die पे, and the right die पे an odd number on second die. Right वाली die पे, ठीक है, odd number है. Okay, but this was not given in the question, so that's why I call it as case 1. Case 2 पे उल्टा कर देंगे. Okay, now let's proceed, students. Stay tuned on the screen. We want left वाली die पे even number और right वाली die पे odd number. So what will be the cases, students? In the first line, can you see? No, first line पे everywhere I can see the first line I highlight you for you. Every side पे left वाले पे 1 है, 1 1 1 1 1. But what we want, हमको left पे even number चाहिए. Okay, can I say this will be our row? Okay, let's distribute hearts here also, students. Okay, can I say this 2 comma 1 Okay, 2 comma 1, because left side pe I have even number, right side pe odd number. 2 comma 2, both numbers are even. No, I don't want this. Left side pe even number, right side pe odd number. Can I say this one 2 comma 3? Yes. Then can I say this two, both are even? No. Can I say this one? Yes. Okay. In the third row, 3 comma 1. Here left side pe it is 3 and I want even number, so entire row will not come because entire row has 3. Next, 4 comma 1. Yes, 4 is an even number and 1 is an odd number. 4 comma 1, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 5. Similarly, 6 comma 1, 6 comma 2 will come. No, both are even. 6 comma 3 and then 6 comma 5. So these 9 elements will come in my case 1. Okay students, so this 9 elements will come in the case 1. But students, ये हमने consider किया है, we have considered it like this. Okay, there can be second case also, so we need to solve that second case also. But let's first write this much in our case 1. Okay, so here I made a case 1. I just copied all those 9 elements here. Now case 2, see I have just interchanged. In the previous case 1, multiple of 2 मतलब even number was on the first die. अब क्या आ गया, मल्टीपल ऑफ 2 जो इवन नंबर है वो किधर आ गए, सेकेंड डाई पे. हमारे सम में कहा आएंगे, राइट साइड पे इवन नंबर. सेकेंड डाई मींस राइट साइड. एंड हियर सी द कर्सर, अर्लियर इट वाज ऑड नंबर ऑन द सेकेंड डाई, मतलब राइट साइड वाली डाई पे, बट अभी ऑड नंबर ऑन द फर्स्ट डाई लिख दिया मैंने यहाँ पे, मतलब फर्स्ट डाई मींस लेफ्ट साइड पे. सो नाउ इट्स उल्टा केस, दैट फर्स्ट डाई पे, दैट इज लेफ्ट हैंड डाई पे ऑड नंबर एंड राइट हैंड डाई पे even number. Once again, let's find out the things, students. I have written here. Now students, tell me one thing. Once again, should I have a pop-up window over here and should I find the cases के first die पे odd number, second die पे even number? Answer is no. Be smart. जो पहले केस 1 का आंसर आया था, just उसको उल्टा करके लिख दो. See on the screen, I'm showing you how to write it. See here students, all of you. Earlier it was 2 comma 1, so I wrote 1 comma 2. Here it was 2 comma 3, I wrote 3 comma 2. उल्टा कर दो बस, 2 comma 5, so I wrote 5 comma 2. So automatically comma के पहले first die पे odd numbers, comma के बाद में multiple of 2 even numbers. 4 comma 1, see the cursor, 1 comma 4, 4 comma 3, 3 comma 4, 4 comma 5, 5 comma 4, and so on. And then let's merge all of them together. Merging all of them together, each one was having 9 elements, so 18 elements. And finding the probability of a element of a event C is 18 upon 36, 1 upon 2. Thank you students. Next part will be continued in the next video.